Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at a very affordable tablet from TCL. This is the TCL Tab. It's on Verizon, and it costs just $199. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, the TCL Tab is an 8-inch tablet that's available now on Amazon for just under $200. It's $199. Has some great features too for this price point. 8-inch display, 2 gigahertz octa-core processor, 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front, 32 gig of storage, 3 gig of RAM. It's also expandable, by the way, so you can put an SD card and make it larger, the capacity. Fast charging battery, so it has a 5,500 milliamp hour battery, and it also uses biometrics to unlock. Now, this TCL Tab is a very easy tablet to use. It's 8 inches in size. It also is Verizon ready, so it has LTE capabilities, and it also supports Wi-Fi, so you can use both. Away from your home, you'll always be connected, and in your home, you'll be connected on Wi-Fi. Has a USB, actually a biometric fingerprint reader here. Has your volume rocker, USB-C at the very bottom, your speaker, your camera module here, your camera with your, again, flash. At the top, you do have a headphone jack, and that's pretty much there is to it. It has a matte finish to it, kind of like rubberized back, and again, very easy to hold. Now, one of the things I like about the tablet is that the tablet comes almost as close to stock as possible with just a few apps that are from Verizon. So you notice you have a few Verizon apps here, but if I swipe up, this is what you have. There's really no swiping anywhere else because it's really stock with the exception of 1, 2, 3 applications, maybe 4 that are to support kind of like the Verizon ecosystem. But this is Android 10, so this is going to support, you know, watching movies, browsing the web, if you're looking for something to do, email. If you'd like, for example, to do games on this, you can play games as well. All the Android games, some of the Xbox playing games that are available in the Stadia games will play on this as well. Now, from a performance perspective, you can expect decent performance coming from this tablet, especially at this price point. Here we're at my page, and what we're going to do is just going to see how quickly a video will load, because again, this is going to be a great streaming device. So I'm just going to tap on this video. We just did this a couple hours ago, and this is a video that focuses on gaming with this gaming controller. Just reduce the volume, but you can see that it played almost instantaneously, and it has good color and overall good performance. Now, at this price point, this tablet also supports some of the cool features that you have with other tablets. You'll notice right here I have split screening. So here I am looking at the About the Tablet. I have on the top, I have my Chrome browser showing information about the tablet. And then over here, I actually have running that YouTube video that we were just looking at a couple seconds ago. So again, for sub $200, it performs pretty well. For those of you looking to expand the memory on the TCL Tab, just use your SIM ejector tool that's included in the box to open this area here. Pops out. You're able to put a 256 gig card, and you're set to go. So guys, that wraps up our quick first impressions and unboxing of the TCL Tab. It's a great little tablet for those of you who are looking for casual browsing. You could do Hangouts. You could even use this for school if you'd like. And it's super affordable, $199, and it's quite capable too.